Hi, my name is Laurel Papworth and I'm a social media expert. I thought I would take you through a quick tip on how to stay up to date when there's an emergency situation. I will say that Facebook used to let me make these lists I'm going to show you public, but they removed that feature, so now you have to create it yourself. Let's get started. Services. So I created a list called Blue Mountains Fires Official. And as I scroll through, I see all the latest news from all the main pages that I follow. I'm using friends lists. So as an example, there's the Winmalee Fire Brigade page. There's the Commissioners page, the Fire Commissioner, RFS Commissioner. Blackheath, Mount Victoria, the area that I live in the Blue Mountains. The Blue Mountains District page. The Katoomba and Leura page. I think you get the idea. Falcon Bridge, Winmalee, all those areas. Live traffic, because I need to know if the Great Western Highway is being closed off. And I'm just trying to think who else we've got here. Lawson, the New South Wales Fireys page. And I also add in friends that live in the area who know what's going on. So we had a fellow in Blackheath, shout out to Bruce, who went around and checked on people and reported back into the group what was going on. So what I do is I go to my Facebook profile, I scroll down the Explore section, and somewhere under More is Friends Lists. And when I click on the Friends List, I'll just show you that one. What we do is we click Create List. And I've already created the list, but you'll see when you create lists that basically you have this page, but it's empty because you don't have anybody on the list. So once you've liked all those other pages, you come in here and you add friends to this list. So I go into this area and I click at Fire, and it starts to make recommendations to me. So there's the Oberon page, and there's a variety of other pages that I've liked before. I click it, I add it to the list. Give it 5 minutes, give it an hour. Sometimes it doesn't update straight away and the screen's empty, but if you leave it long enough, it will eventually update. And what I found during the fire was that this was super useful for me to keep up to date on everything that was going on. If you haven't created a friends list before with a mixture of Facebook pages, emergency services, and friends and family who update regularly, neighbours, then perhaps it's something you could think of doing. If you found this useful, please pass it into a Facebook group or LinkedIn or tweet it or something so that others can find it useful as well. Thank you.